Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is kurkure. Let's get started. So first I'm taking 1 cup of poha and I'm grinding it into a fine powder. Now transfer it into a large mixing bowl and add half a cup of besan or gram flour, half a cup of rice flour or chawal ka atta, salt to taste and baking powder 1/4 teaspoon. Mix all the dry ingredients well. And add half a cup of hot water. And mix it. You need to make a stiff dough. So add water as required. I have used 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of hot water. Now add 2 tablespoons of vegetable or any other oil and 1/4 cup of corn flour or cornstarch or arrowroot. Again mix this well. This is done. This is how our dough should be. Now grease a plate. And now start shaping your dough into small logs. These are done. My oil is also heating on medium flame. Now we'll make the masala. For that I'm taking 2 tablespoons of chaat masala, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and salt to taste. Mix this well. and the masala is ready. Now we'll fry our kurkure on medium to high heat till they are golden and brown. Take these out on a tissue paper so that the tissue paper can absorb the excess oil. Now sprinkle some of our masala. Mix this. Now you'll see how crunchy these are. See? These are done. Enjoy!